today is a brand new video, and today's video is very exciting, and don't mind if I have the hat on because my hair is kind of messy, so we're just gonna wear that hat today just to cover the mess. But today we have very exciting news and very exciting package to come in the mail, so let me show you guys what it is. Now, I already got too excited to open the package. It looks like a taillight housing. Well, it actually is. We're installing the most hated taillights on a Honda Civic. Most people that do this think it's ricey and they don't think it looks the best. We are installing clear tails on my Honda Civic. A lot of people don't like this style of taillights because it just doesn't match very well. I have seen some on a blue or black Civic in this body style, and honestly I think those colors look 10 times better on those cars because this car is already white and the clear tails are kind of semi-white, semi-clear. It's not gonna clash very well. But either way, I still feel like this Civic will be definitely different from any other Civic on the road because every other Civic always has these OEM taillights, and these are OEM taillights from Honda. As you can see, it says Honda and Stanley right there. I don't know if you guys could see that on camera, but these are original. These did come in the 99 to 2000 and then the 96 to 98. They have like a sort of a yellow kind of tint to the older headlights. I've always wanted clear tails on any of my cars. They make clear tails for the Supra when I owned it. They made clear tails for the 10 Gen, but only in the hatchback and the sedans. They made clear tails for my 9 Gen, as you guys seen in the back, way back long time ago when I had the 9 Gen before it got stolen. I feel like any type of car looks so good with clear tails. Like, you just can't go wrong with clear tails. A lot of people hate them and they find them ricey. They think it looks too flashy, but in my opinion, I think they look like the best looking taillight on any vehicle, on any car, whether that's a Corvette, that's a Mustang, anything really. Like, I feel like clear tail the world. Woo! Now these are clean. You cannot tell me these are not clean. I think there's a little sticker right here. Oh my God. These look so good. I am a sucker for clear tails. What can I say? Alright, so I have the hatch open and it's very simple. Honda already makes it easier for me. There's literally these plastic covers. You put your finger in, boom! Or it should come off easily. What the fuck? Little manhandle won't do the trick. Don't mind the trash bag. I do have a dead body in here. Okay, here we go. After it's been exposed, literally all we need to do is, I believe these are what's holding it. This 10 mil right here, 10 mil right there, and there's 2 more on top. And other than that, this whole housing should just come right out. I think this is a 8 mil if I'm not mistaken. Oh! I have both of the taillights out, and as you can see, here is a big difference between them. One is clear and this one is just clear where the reverse is and red where the brake and the parking is. This design is not for everyone, but like I said, I think this is personally a little bit cleaner. Don't get me wrong, I love this style as well, but I think this just gives it a little bit more style, more finesse. So from what it seems I need to transfer the whole harness, everything that is connected to this bulb and this style and this sockets are all in one single harness, and then I should just need to transfer that harness over to the new. Alright, so I finally got the old harness and transferred it to the new. As you can see, everything is in place. Now it's just a matter of putting this old weather stripping on, which is very easy. Just place it over these studs like so, and now we can just place this taillight in the car. And just like that, check that out. Here's the red, of course, and then here is the clear. Honestly, the clear just looks so much better. I need to get a different bulb so that way it doesn't show that orangish yellow bulb through the clear, but other than that, I think it definitely looks 10 times better than what the OEM one looks like. I tidied everything up, put the plastic trim back in. I still need to do the other one, but I just want to show you guys the overall quality of this headlight. Now, I did get this from eBay, and I think this design is by Unique Racing, and basically they make clear tails for other 90s Hondas, and I think it fits pretty well for the price. I got this on sale. Normally they price these out for $200, but I was able to get this on a discount for about $140. It is almost basically even throughout the whole body line right here. It does get a little bit tighter here, but nothing too crazy. As you see on the bottom, it does fit pretty perfect for the most part on the body line on the bottom. Maybe it just sticks out a little bit inwards, but not too bad that anyone's gonna notice. Like I said, I only bought this for about 140 bucks, so I am not tripping over 140 bucks just in case if this doesn't work or this starts cracking or fading or anything like that. Same thing I did for the other side. I am gonna take all this old harnessing out and put it in the new one. Just like that, we have the clear tails on the car. As you can see, look at that. I think it looks 10 times better. Whether you think it's right or not, I think it gives Civic a new look. A lot of people go with the OEM tails that I showed you guys, or the 50/50 tail LEDs. Definitely looks 10 times better, whether you believe it or not. Plus, this is my build, so it doesn't matter anyways. Let me know what y'all guys think. I'm gonna roll this thing out, try to give this thing a quick wash, so that way I gotta give y'all guys some B-rolls. See, like I said, I think after I clean this, it does definitely looks a lot better. Especially my favorite angle probably has to be the side angle or the quarter angle, which is right here. But I think my favorite angle is probably the side of everything, how it clashes between the gram lights, the tails, the way how the side skirts are, front lip. And I think this car definitely came a long way. If you guys haven't seen the series, make sure to check it out throughout this playlist, because this car didn't look like this. It definitely didn't look like this when I first got it. It was all rusted out. Paint were fading. Also, the taillights were fading. It was mechanically not running well. It had check engine lights. A lot of things needed to be cleaned up on this car particularly. But as you can see, it has came a long way looks wise, and eventually I do want to add more power. And yeah, I am super excited for this. And check out those. Oh man, the clear tails just hit different. Man, I always wanted clear tails on my cars, and this is probably one of the first few cars that I actually put clear tails on, other than my 9th gen, of course. You cannot go wrong with 90s cars for sure. Other than that, I am gonna end it off here. It's a quick video I wanted to get out for y'all guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time in the next one.